In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty the Google Drive trash bin in 2025. We've all been there, your Google Drive is getting cluttered and you've deleted some files, but they're still taking up space because they're sitting in the bin. This simple guide will help you effectively clear out those files once and for all. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading to your Google Drive homepage. This is where all your stored files and folders live. To get there, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, if you have multiple, so you're accessing the right files. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, our next step is to locate the trash bin, which Google Drive refers to as the bin. You'll find this option listed on the left-hand side of the screen as part of the navigation panel. It's usually labelled clearly, so go ahead and click on bin to enter this section. Now that you've accessed your bin, you'll see a collection of files that have been deleted but not permanently removed. These are files you might no longer need or inadvertently deleted, but still have the opportunity to restore if necessary. If you're certain you want to clear them out, let's proceed to select them. To select all items in the bin, start by selecting just one file. Any file will do. Then if you're using a PC, press and hold the Control key, and while doing that, press A. This control sequence will highlight every single file in your bin. For those using a Mac, you'll want to use the Command key instead. This quick shortcut ensures you don't miss deleting anything by mistake and saves you the hassle of selecting each file one by one, especially if there are many items. With all your files selected, it's time to take the final step, deleting them permanently. Look for the trash icon, usually located towards the top of your Google Drive interface. It's this trash icon you'll want to click. Once clicked, a prompt may appear to confirm that you really want to delete these files forever. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so ensure you've reviewed the items to avoid losing anything important. Once confirmed, the selected files will be deleted permanently, freeing up valuable space on your Google Drive. And there you have it, a clean Google Drive with no lingering files left in the trash bin. It's always a good idea to regularly check and empty your bin to keep your Google Drive tidy and free up space, especially if you're reaching storage capacity. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.